What if you had just $1,000 to invest in 2026? Most people think that's not enough money to build wealth. But the truth is, your first $1,000 could be the most important investment you ever make. If I were starting from zero today, I wouldn't chase get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, I'd focus on a strategy designed to grow wealth steadily over time. Before investing a single dollar, I'd make sure I had a small emergency fund. Without one, unexpected expenses can force you to sell investments at the worst possible moment. Out of my first $1,000, I would invest $700 into broad market index funds. This instantly provides diversification across hundreds of companies. Index funds have historically outperformed many active investors because they keep costs low and allow you to participate in the overall growth of the economy. Next, I would allocate $200 to carefully selected growth companies. These are businesses with strong revenue growth, innovation, and long-term potential. Industries like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and advanced technology could continue creating opportunities for investors over the next decade. The final $100 would be reserved for higher risk opportunities. This portion allows you to learn and explore while limiting potential losses. But here's the real secret. The first $1,000 isn't what creates wealth. Consistency does. Investing a little money every month can take advantage of compound growth, one of the most powerful forces in finance. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through patience, discipline, and smart decisions repeated over many years. If you found this valuable, subscribe to the Finance Spy for more investing, wealth building, and financial education content.